Back in Clumber again, favourite place as you know. What we're going to do today is we're going to have a chat about maybe trimming some of this. It's getting a little bit long now, but before I do that I may just dye the ends just a little. I've dyed them before and then regretted it, but I'll tell you all about it after this intro. So I've been thinking about dyeing my dreads. I've done it before, but I made a mistake. I used wash in, wash out dye, and for the first couple of weeks it looked absolutely fantastic. You know, nice, bright, vibrant colours. I dyed them purple. There's a picture coming up, show you what they look like. But after a couple of weeks, when the dye started to wash out, they started to look like I'd had a purple rinse on them, and they started to look horrible on the ends, and it made them look dirty. I mean, look at the colour. That dye takes a lot of washing out, even though it's wash in, wash out. So I think if I do it this time, I'm going to use a permanent dye rather than wash in, wash out, and then in 3 or 4 months, if they do start to fade and they start to look a bit grotty, some of them are actually getting ready for a trim, I can trim a little bit off and it's not too much, because if you look, they're starting to get a little bit, starting to get a little bit long now. I'm not going to dye them all because some of them don't grow as quick as the others, and if I dye that one, it's going to be in the middle of my back, so it's not going to look right, so I'm not going to bother dyeing that. And there's another one here that's not as long, so I'm not going to dye that one. I'm only going to dye the long ones that come right down here. Like I say, I'm going to use a permanent dye. I did like the purple colour, so I might go for purple again, but it's a thought in process at the moment. Let me know what you think. Have you ever dyed your dreads? Did you have good results? Did it cause you, to regret doing it like it did me? Should have been on my regret one, this bit, shouldn't it? My dreadlock regrets. Did you do it? Did you regret it? Did you love it? Did you think it was great? I'm seriously thinking about doing it. Oh, I've got something in my eye. Let me know what you think. So if you like this video, it's only a short one today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that little notification bell, and I will see you, hopefully, on the next one. See you soon.